Hello, 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 everyone. How is everyone doing today? Hope everyone's doing awesome. K-Dog, my friend, good to see you. What's with my mic keeping a raise up like that? Just stay down. There we go. I think we're good. Stop moving. Stop moving, Mike. Maybe I'm moving and my mic's just in my way. So how is everyone doing today? I hope everyone is doing awesome. Hope everyone having a great week. Busy week. Stein, good evening. Good evening. Where are you at, my friend? For it to be evening. It's 10 a.m. my time. Norway. I love Norway. I went and spoke at NDC Oslo a few years back, and I tell you what, man, I loved it. Loved it. The only complaint I had about Oslo was how expensive the food is. I was blown away at how expensive the food was. I remember it was my first night there. I had a late flight. I landed late. It's like 11 p.m. and I'm trying to find anything that's open to eat because I'm starving. And then I'm walking around and I find this. I think it was a Burger King I found that was still open. I'm like, oh great, I can get a cheap meal. This is gonna be awesome. A quick cheap meal. Head back to the hotel and go to sleep and get ready for my talk next day. Right? Well, I ordered my food and like I got a little burger, a small fry, and a little drink. It was like $20. I'm like, what the hell? This is Burger King. What are you talking about? It was like almost $20. It was like $16 and some change. I mean, I was blown away. And then yeah, I was there for like the rest of the week, and it was a common theme. The food is just, no matter where you go, it's just really expensive. Another thing that impressed me about Norway was all the guys look like Thor. I don't know what it is, Stein. You guys all look like Thor, walking around, ponytails, just big guys, like just a whole bunch of Thors walking around. Good genes. You guys got good genes. Aspect. The sun is actually out in England. It's a miracle. Oh, good. Good weather. That's, you know what? Now that you mentioned that, I remember being in Oslo in Norway during that time, and the sun it never went down. It never went down. You know, I'd be out with a group of people, you know, celebrate and have a good time because the day was awesome. And then it was like 3 in the morning and the sun was still up. I'm like, what the heck? It's crazy. Hey, Sarah Pez, good to see you. Hello. Thanks for joining today. Code Stencil, good to see you. Man. So, yeah, that was my story about Oslo, Norway. I got more stories, but you probably don't want to hear about those. So Stein, live up north, a small town near North Cape. Cool. Yeah, I when I was there, I didn't really go outside of Oslo. You know, I walked around a lot. I went to the, I think it was the Opera House, all that kind of stuff. Die Lagunas, hey babe, your video keeps cutting out. Does it? Not for me. Not for me, it doesn't cut out. You're on your phone. You have bad service in your clinic. That's what it is. Darth Coder, nice haircut. Appreciate it. My mother-in-law gave this haircut to me. Like that. This is the COVID-19 mother-in-law haircut. Hold on, let's see. She did a pretty good job. Right? She did a good job. K-Dog, loved my visit to Norway. I was up north above the Arctic Circle called Bodo. Oh, Bodo. Darth Coder. Yay for COVID-19 mother-in-law. Yeah, actually, my mother-in-law used to cut hair a long time ago. She's long retired, but she's like, I'm a little rusty, but I won't shave all your hair off. I'm like, I'll take it. I was getting pretty crazy, you know what I'm saying? Like, you're not going anywhere, not getting a haircut for 2 months. I was pretty shaggy, so she cleaned me up nice. Now I will say, my wife had to do a little fixing, you know, otherwise I was gonna have to wear a hat. the COVID-19 haircut hat, right? But no, my wife fixed all the little imperfections, and it's all good now. It's all good. But so Carl, I don't know if you want to share with everyone else what you shared with me just a minute ago, but I'm super excited for you, my friend. Super excited. I would love to hear more about it if you don't mind sharing with the rest of the crowd. What do you say, my friend? Is she gonna keep it between us? Okay, I'm guess. Okay, all right. Well, I won't say anything if you don't. I'm not gonna say anything if you don't. Either way, I'm super happy for you. I can't wait to hear more about it. If I remember, I'll call you after the stream and you can catch me up on it. So, all right. I want to give everyone a heads up on my stream on Tuesday. So, yes, what is the date on Tuesday? Let me look. The 19th. All right, so my stream on Tuesday the 19th is going to be a special stream. Okay. This stream is going to be to help support the efforts for a hackathon that's going to start for a group. It's called COVID Health Hack, and it's by the Stevens Institute of Technology in New Jersey. And so what's going on is we're going to have a number of students join me on live stream. I'm going to present to them the introduction to building mobile apps with Xamarin Forms and Prism. So these are, range in students, but the target audience are there. There are a bunch of students learning, and they want to learn different technologies, and they're going to join this hackathon, right? And they're going to build various apps with these technologies they're learning. So I volunteered to do a stream that all their students can come watch, and we'll be covering the basics of Xamarin Form and Prism development on Tuesday. So for a lot of you, it's kind of like, oh yeah, I know that. I'm an expert in that, Brian. I don't need to see that. That's great, but so just be aware on Tuesday we're doing the hackathon learning for the students, and I'll really be gearing that stream towards that student audience. But when they're here, I know you guys are going to make them all feel welcome and give them a good environment, an encouraging environment to ask questions. And because I don't know the skill level of all the students that are going to be joining, so I'm going to assume that they're brand new and don't know anything, and then we'll build from there. So that's going to be my assumption, right? Coach Stencil. Real story, my wife decided to cut my hair on Saturday after the first shave. The shaver just died. I was left with a bad groove in the center of my head. Went to Walmart. All the clippers were sold out. I had to shave everything off. That sucks. That's hilarious, though. That is so funny. Now, yeah. At least you have hair to mess up. It's cut, yeah. So, I don't know if you guys have seen this, but on social media, there's a meme going around of the COVID-19 haircut styles, and like one is like the clipper right down the middle, right? Shaved on the side, but it's like just all messed up on top, and it's a pretty funny little meme because it's rooted in some truth, right? The funniest stuff is always rooted in a little bit of truth. It sounds like Coach Stilton, you were the one that had the shave going right down the middle of the head, because actually my dad did the same thing, well, similar thing. He was cutting his own hair, and there's different size clipper heads you put on, right? 1, 2, or you're gonna do a 3, right? Something like that. Well, he was shaving his beard, so he had the 1 on there, and then he was gonna switch out to the 3 and then start doing his head, but somehow he like got distracted or something, and then when he came right back to it, he just went and he still had the 1 on there. So he's another casualty of the COVID haircut. Oh my god, it's hilarious. Except I saw pictures of my dad. That was funny. That's hilarious. So my dad's 72 and cutting his own hair, and he just what's it called? A skunk stripe right down, just a whoop. It was so funny. So now he had to shave his whole head. His entire head is shaved to a 1 now. Basically like my old military cut. I wore that military cut for, jeez, nearly 20 years before my wife said, I wonder what you look like with hair. Why don't you grow some hair out? I'm like, okay, I'll grow some hair out. Why not? So, oh, by the way, I'm actually wearing... This is my PT shirt from when I was in the Army back in 97, I think. 97? Yeah. Still looking good. This is quality shirt right here. No holes, nothing. And I did PT in this thing every morning for 4 years. And I still wear it. Quality shirts right here. I wonder where they're made. Code stencil. Oh, Lord. There's a link. I'm scared. I don't know what to do. I'm scared to click on this link. But you know what? I trust Code Stencil. I trust Code Stencil. Oh my God. Okay, hold on. Let me share this. Yes. That's when I was very young. And that's my military cut. So easy. My wife would cut my hair because it's so easy to cut. Good find there, Code Stencil. Yes, that is my old haircut. Oh, memories. Bringing back memories there, Code Stencil. All right, so what are we working on today? Well, I heard about this this rich text editor, okay, and it's called Quill JS. So actually, let's just hop in. Let me kind of show you what's going on. I need a new Edge window. It's called Quill JS. There it is. So quilljs.com. And it's a really cool rich text editor, but it's web-based, right? So it's used by Slack and Microsoft, and so if you've ever used Slack, you know the little chat box that you type into, that's Quill, right? So a lot of these big companies are using this Quill as their rich text editor, and it's really cool. Ali, you're so fun to listen to and energetic. Well, thank you, my friend. I appreciate it. I am sure you are just as fun in person. We should hang out one day if you're ever in my neck of the woods, or if I'm ever in your neck of the woods. But unfortunately, travel is kind of not happening anytime soon, is it? One day. So yeah, so if you go to quilljs.com, and you just kind of, check it out. It's cross-platform. I was trying to learn all about this. So I think, where did I find? I think I said see the chart. I'm like, oh, cool, it's cross-platform. I wonder if they have anything for WPF. And like, nope, they don't. It's all kind of web-based. Now, I'm not 100% sure, because it says like iPhone, right, and Android. I don't know if that's a native Android, right? Dan, is that a WYSIWYG for web? And is it free? Yeah, it's free, and it is a rich text editor for the web. It's web-based. Here's a quick start. That's kind of cool. But anyways, I'm just not sure if these were a native control, or is it still web-based? I don't know. All I know is I looked at this and it doesn't have WPF, right? So I'm like, crap, man. I'm a WPF guy. Like, I love writing my WPF apps. So I want to put this in WPF. So I started thinking, well, how the heck can I do it? So I had an idea. I said, what if we took a WPF app, used the web browser control, and hosted an HTML page that has the Quill embedded in it, right? Would that get me what I wanted? So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to embed this HTML, JavaScript-based rich text editor into a native WPF app, and we're going to try to use the web control to do it, right? Normal4G, good to see you. Thanks for joining. You're joining at the perfect time. Dan, oh my God, I just threw up a little. Ha 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 ha. Well, just so you know, you could probably take the same approach for Xamarin. Mobile guy. More talent box. Thanks for joining. Good to see you. You're just in time. We're just about to get started writing some code on embedding a Quill HTML JavaScript rich text editor, the same one that Slack uses, into a WPF application. Don't encourage this sort of lunacy. Well, the problem is okay, if you're a .NET developer and you want a rich text editor, chances are you're going to use something like Infragistics, right? So we'll go to Infragistics WPF, and there's actually, let me go to controls, a pretty robust rich text editor if I can find it. Where is it? Oh, rich text editor right there. Right, essentially this is Microsoft Word. Okay, except it also provides a rich API for manipulating and creating and editing and saving and deleting and all this crap about Word documents. Okay, and it has various adapters for just outputting text, RTF, HTML, or the Word document, right? So if you really want a native control, you would use something like this, the WPF rich text editor from Infragistics. However, if you're looking for the free, right, a free solution, this may work. This may work. It might actually do pretty good. So what I'm going to do... Oh, I didn't mean to close that. Oh, man. Okay. Quill, I got to go back to Quill JS. Okay, perfect. Oh, because it's on GitHub. That's why I did it. Okay. Let me look at this real quick. I want to go here. Was I here? Was it guides? Adding Quill. Easy to use. Okay, that's not what I want. Oh, excuse me. That snuck up on me. Normal, we really need an extensible text editor written in XAML. Well, they exist. You just have to pay for them. Dan, right now I can't figure out how to call a method and pass in a parameter. It's IL stuff. It's really you're dealing with IL stuff. Yes, poorly documented, just like whatchamacallit. Visual Studio extensibility, very poorly documented. Okay, when I was looking through this last, there was oh right here. Here it is, right here. This is the quick start. Okay, so let's open up Visual Studio. We're gonna start writing this. Oh, stop opening on that screen. I wish I could tell Visual Studio which screen to open up on. It just open up on that screen. Stop opening on different screens. Okay. Oh, hold on. Sidetrack. So you see this rewrite rules project I have right here? Yeah, funny story with that. Should we do this .NET Core or .NET Framework? I'll start with .NET Framework. Okay, funny story with that rewrite rule solution is I was in a meeting the other day at work, and we were migrating our documentation system to DocFX. Okay, so we have to create a rewrite rule to redirect all of the existing links to the new DocFX links, right? The new URLs. And there's like 200 of them. I mean, there's a lot. Might be more. Anyways, I was asking, okay, how long is this going to take? And so I was like, oh my God, I'm just so busy. This is a lot of work. You know, this is not trivial. This is going to take, this might take a month. It's just going to take so long. I'm like, a month? Are you kidding me? A month? So I'm like, I'll take care of it. I'll do it. So all I did was I wrote an app. I wrote a little console app that would skim the website, get all the links, all the URLs, and then match them up to the new URLs, and then generate a document that has all the rewrite rules in them. It took about 3 hours. God, I swear. Sometimes I think they say that just because they know I'll do it myself. Okay. So the first thing I want to do is I want to add an HTML file to this, because the idea is we're going to embed this JavaScript HTML rich text editor in this WPF app, but it's web-based, so we have to have an HTML document to host all that stuff, right? Okay, so what am I doing? We're going to add a new item. I'm sure there's an HTML document in here somewhere. Yes, there is. Perfect. Should we call this rich text, maybe? Sure, why not? We can name it whatever we want. Okay, so phase 1 is include this style sheet. Will do. Copy that. This goes in the head, right? Yeah. It's been a while since I've done HTML without any type of like scaffolding, right? When's the last time you actually hand coded HTML? Include the Quill library. Oh, okay, we'll do that. Isn't it? Don't you put that at like the end? Don't you put those scripts at the end now? Or at the beginning? For some reason, I feel like you're supposed to put the scripts towards the end, like down here. For some reason, I kind of remember that, right? Dan, when is the last time? Me, about 10 minutes ago. Good for you. This is the first time for me in a long time. Harrison, when I used to do web dev, I used Embed to do all the HTML. Yeah, I used Dreamweaver back in the day. You guys remember that? You remember Dreamweaver? Dude, that was awesome. I love Dreamweaver. Like, it was just like drag and drop, and I didn't have to handwrite anything. No, you can put it both ways. Normal says I can put it both ways. Okay, well, for now, we'll just stick it up here. We can always change it. Not a big deal. Okay, so then create an editor. Okay, so... Oh, okay, they put it after. They put it after. So let's... I'm gonna copy what they did. But I don't want all that mess in there. I'm gonna copy exactly what they did. So they have the script after their editor. Okay, and then initialize. So they have more script after this. Okay, so they're putting their scripts at the end of the body, which is fine. Okay, so how do we know if this works? I'm gonna run this off disk. I'm just gonna double click this. Hey, look at there! Blah, 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 blah. Yeah! We have a text editor. Well, that was easy. That was real easy. That was almost too easy. Yeah, that was pretty good. Okay, cool. So that's all there is to it. I believe you, because that's all there was to it. That was really easy to use. What else do they do? Oh, and they do have an API, which is nice. Well, I better leave this up because I don't know what I'm going to need from this, right? So we'll just minimize. Chances are I'm going to have to come back to that. Okay, so now we have our rich text document. Okay, so normal says if the script is required, then it's okay to put it in the beginning. Now I'm confused. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I'm going to say this is required. So I'm going to take Normal's advice and I'm going to put it at the beginning. Okay. So I'm going to call this done right here. Yes, normal 4G, but that stops rendering the page if it's at the... Oh, hold on. Does that stop rendering the page? Which is why that's a bad practice. Okay, so Dan is saying keep it where it's at. Okay, I'll keep it where it's at. I'll keep it where it's at. So I think I'm kind of done with this for now. So now we have to decide which web browser are we going to use to actually host this thing. Now, WPF ships with a web browser control. The problem with the web browser control is it's old. It's ancient. I think it uses the old IE browser. Like, it's crazy old. So there is a WebView 2 component that we can use. So let's manage NuGet packages, Netscape. I think it's WebView. WebView? Let's see. WebView. Is this it? This looks like it. WPF. Yeah, Microsoft Toolkit, WPF UI controls WebView. That looks like it right there. Yeah, this looks like it. Let's try. Let's try it. We'll find out real quick if this isn't it. I don't think this is the Edgium. I think this is Edge, like the old Edge. But I don't think this is the new Chromium Edge that they just came out with. Win30. Ooh, is it Win30? No. Oh, no. I'm going to try this one. Okay, so hopefully we have a web view in here. Is that it? Controls, web view. I think this is it. So let's give this a name. I'll just call it web view. And, okay. Oh, wait. One thing I have to do. We have to set the properties. I need this content, but I want to copy. I want to copy this rich text editor out because we're going to be reading it from disk, right? Normal 4G. Anyone watch Unreal Engine 5 announcement? We need game characters like those in the demos. Yeah, seriously, they didn't give you a friendly XML definition for the toolkit. No, they didn't, did they? This is what I got. Weird. You would think they would have had a nice, clean, you know, XMLNS namespace type definition, right? Okay. What am I thinking? Let's do a simple test. All right, we got to add some stuff here. Actually, I don't care about the designer. I don't need to see the designer. I just need to see the code. I need some row definitions. And let's put a button in here. It says show text. Grid.row 1. Because rows are 0 based indexed, right? So this first one is automatically in 0. And so I'm putting this in 1, which is going to put the button right below the web view. Let's set the height to auto. Sure. And let's set, I don't know, we can set the height of the button to like 65. Seems legit, right? Sure, why not? Okay, let's get our designer back. Yeah, that works. And we have a button click. So how do we want to do this? First things first, we have to load the document. We have to load the document into the web view, right? So I could do it here, or I could, yeah, we could do it here. So WebView dot loaded? No? Read. Wait, what was that? Navigate? Navigate. That's what we're looking for. Okay, so we have navigate. Navigate to local. So this loads the HTML document. Loads relative to location of the current executable. This is what I want. And then the path. Okay, and now we need a path to pass in. Normal 4G navigate. Yes, found it. Okay, get rid of all that crap. All right, so the path, what's the path going to be? Path.combine. Why do you keep stop lowercasing that? I know what I'm doing most of the time. Environment dot current, I think it's current, yeah, current directory. And then the name of the, which is, okay, it's rich text.html. Right? Why am I getting an underline here? Deprecated. Use navigate to local stream URI. I don't know if I like this. Stream resolver. What? Stream resolver. You know what? I'm gonna come back to that. Let's work with a deprecated API for now. I'm gonna work with this deprecated API. I just want to see this thing work. I'll come back to that. So theoretically, this should work, right? Right? Okay. What do we do? Must use package reference. What? Oh. Must use package reference. Oh, it added a packages.config. Okay, so this is pretty cool. This is actually cool because a lot of people don't know this. I work with a lot of customers, and you know, they often say, "Well, how do I convert my project easily to use package reference?" Now, keep in mind, this is a .NET Framework project. This is not a .NET Core project. So it's still using the old packages.config. So you're saying, well, Brian, I mean, how do we convert these? Well, it's easy. You see this packages.config? Just right-click it and say migrate. And just say, okay. And that's all you got to do. At least that should be all we have to do. Let's do a build. So normal 4G is saying we need to use the app WPF pack URI, compile the HTML as a resource. You know what? I don't want to go through all that trouble. I want it on disk. I want it on disk. Okay, the code is source navigate method by invalid relative path. Okay, so by using an invalid URI, the code in your application sets the source property or calls the navigate method by using an invalid URI. No, it doesn't. This is exactly. Okay, let me think. I want this on disk. This being copied. Rich text HTML. Did I spell that right? Relative path, rich text HTML, current directory. Let's debug this. What's our path look like? Man, what is in my throat today? Bin debug rich text HTML. Okay, that looks legit. Let's open this up on disk. Let's make sure that's there. Bin debug rich text. Okay, so it's there. That's working. Navigate to local. That's my local path. Very interesting. Okay, so that's not working. Let me check. Let me open this up. URI. I don't want to use a URI. This is a path. I'm supposed. This is supposed. Maybe that's why it's. Maybe this is why it's deprecated. Maybe it's not supposed to work. But what I was getting at was I just want to give it a disk location. Now, let me look for something really quick. Nope, that's not it. Not it, not it. Okay, I just have some other code. That's not working. Nope. Okay. Well, let's try something else. Maybe. No. Maybe not. Maybe I just can't use this deprecated. I'm trying to use a deprecated API, and it's probably not a good thing. That's probably what it is. Yeah. That's probably... Okay, so let's do a URI. We can't use this here. We can't use that. Okay, so we got to change this. We got to do this the hard way. And this is just going to be that. Right? And then we'll do... Wait, that's not what I want. Yeah, URI kind. Relative or absolute. We will no longer use this deprecated API. We'll use this navigate to local stream, pass in the URI. But now we need... But now we need a URI to stream resolver. Is this something I have to create? Class. I don't know. Resolver. What was that called? See if there's a default implementation in the package. This is Microsoft Toolkit. Okay, that's long. Let's just type resolver and see if we get anything. Resolve, stream resolver. Nope. Stream resolver. Reader, content. That's not it. Microsoft Toolkit. WPF. UI. Controls.
That's good. Like that.
And we got a Yoda mask. A Yoda mask for the next 3 minutes. I will be Yoda. Of course, I will not be speaking in the Yoda voice. Because I can't do a Yoda voice. I can't do it. Sorry, I can't do it. I'm just going to create my own. Me own resolver. Okay, URI to stream resolver. And we'll implement that. Okay, so for now, let's return null here. And we'll pass in our new resolver. Right? Makes sense? Makes sense. Okay. I'm assuming I get this URI. Let's run it and find out. This is harder than I thought it was going to be, honestly. Okay. So I do get a funky... little path here. So my local path has my rich text HTML, so that's what I really care about. But then I have this local stream stuff. Okay. All right, let's... Yoda, Brian. What's up? Good to see you, Detonated. Good to see you. Okay. Launchlon W. Gordon? I got that right? Good morning. Good to see you. Always a pleasure. Let's see, users. Nope, this is not what I'm looking for. I'm thinking. Don't use relative or absolute. Okay, well, I don't think it matters. Let's see if. Well, okay, we'll do relative. Excuse me, and let's see if my URI looks any different. No, it looks the same. Cool. All right, we'll go with this. We'll go with this. So I guess I'm now responsible for returning the stream. So does that mean my path up here? Actually, I need to copy this out and move it down here. Because I'm probably gonna have to return the stream, right? So the URI dot local path looked right. But actually the local path has a slash, right? I wonder if that will mess me up. Let's just keep going, and if the slash messes me up, we'll remove the slash. And so if we're returning this, I could probably get away with a file just open read, right? Right? And then we should theoretically be able to return a stream. This looks good, right? Guess we'll find a bug.
Another one.
I always find bugs, don't I?
Another one.
Don't I always find the freaking bugs?
One.
Ridiculous.
Another one.
Chain 1317, thank you for the follow. Another one. Another one. Okay. I think we're good. Let's test this. I have a bad feeling about the local path having a slash in it, honestly. Yeah, I think we have to remove that. Let's find out. And I was right. Could not find file. Oh, yeah. Okay, we can't do that. I have to get rid of that. So let's trim start with the slash. Let's get rid of that. Let's try this again. This should read. Okay. We got it. We got it. Hold on. Yes. Yes. Okay. So, here we go. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, this is cool. Oh my goodness, we got a cheer of 50 bits. That is my first cheer ever. Ever. That's the first one I've ever gotten. Thank you so much. That is awesome. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. And I know, Dan, you try to jinx me with that with Miley. Miley is not breaking me today. She could just get out of here. This totally worked. Totally worked. We have embedded the Quill JS HTML JavaScript editor inside of our native application. Oh. Well, I really used the wrong one. Should have used exclamation point words. Yeah, how do you mix those two up, Dan? You totally messed that up. Okay, so phase 1 complete. I guess that deprecated API was deprecated for a reason. It just did not work, right? So it looks like this custom resolver approach worked just fine. So we'll stick with that. Dan, well, because I used Miley before, you did your blah, 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 blah. Okay, so while this is cool and all, yeah, we have the editor embedded. This is amazing. You're right. It is. It's amazing. It's kind of useless to us, right? It doesn't do us a whole lot of good unless we can read the text out of it. How do we get the text out of this editor? So let's go find out. Let's figure this out. I'm gonna look at this quick start. Maybe they'll tell me. Next step, interactive playground. Nope. How to customize. Sure. How to customize? I don't think that's what I want. Themes, modules, content formatting. Nope, that's not what I want. Customizing block. Nope. I want to know how to get the text. How to get text. How do we get the text out of this thing? Okay, let's go back. Content. This is probably what I want right here. Content. Delete text. Get contents. I think that's one. Retrieves contents of the editor with formatting data. I don't know what that means. Get length. That's not. I want all the text. Maybe this get text. Maybe insert text. Set contents. Set text. Update contents. And that's formatting. I mean, that's not bad. Draw a guide. Easy to use, yep. Adding to your... No, I don't care about that. You know, I could just cheat and get the inner HTML from the element. Oh, I think that's what I'm going to do. I think that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm just going to cheat. And I'm going to get the inner HTML of the object. I'm cheating. Okay, so, but the question is, how do we get access to this HTML element inside our XAML view? There has to be... I gotta go back here. WPF, WebView, JavaScript. This is what we need right here. Yep. Okay. Modify the appearance. Yada, yada, yada. Navigate to content. Okay, we did all that. We got that working. What is this? Content loading? Nope, that's not what I want. Respond. Handle special cases. Yep. Interact. Here we go. We want to interact with WebView content. This is exactly what we want. Okay, you can interact or inject script into the WebView and the script notify event to get information back from the WebView. Okay. To invoke JavaScript, invoke can be return only string values. Okay. So it looks like oh, this is interesting. So that's a function. So we could pass a function string in. That might not be a bad approach. What if we did a function approach? Eval, but this is Invoke Script. So this must be... Okay. So the WebView one contains a function named setDate that takes 3 parameters. Oh, okay. I got it. I got it. So invoke script async. This is the name of the method that exists on the HTML page. This is a script that we write in line in C# that we can execute using the eval function of JavaScript. Right? I think that's right. I think we're right. I think that's right. Okay, so what do we want to do here? Do we want to just... Let me think. Let me think. I'm not sure the best approach to this right now. I'm thinking we can add some JavaScript. Wait, I'm gonna put it down here. What if we added a function like called getText? Right? And we can return this dot Quill dot what is it? Is it inner H root? Is that right? No, is that right? I feel like this is wrong. Maybe that. I haven't done JavaScript in so freaking long. I'm having a hard time remembering. No. JavaScript eval, you think? I'm not sure. Let's try it. We don't have anything to lose, right? Var test. What the heck? Equals WebView. Invoke Script. I'm just gonna... I don't need to do it async, right? Do I have to do this async? So Mozilla Web Docs might help. Yeah, you're probably right. We might... Oh my goodness. We might want to look at some of that. I think this is right, though. For now, let's just fiddle around. Right, Normal? Let's just fiddle around. Should we do Invoke Script? Let's just do async. What the heck? Why not? Okay, so this said, go back to our docs. We just have to call the method, which we called getText. Right? Yeah, we'll find out, won't we? Stop opening over there. Let's see. Here we go. Moment of truth. Oh, yes! That totally worked. Normal 4Gs. Async all the things. We did it! Okay. So we are getting the text out, which is really cool. What? Whoops. Did not mean to do that. Let me just... This would look like with some underlines. Metallics. Let's throw a link in here to https:// Ryan looking in this You. It's not you. Thank you. Coach Stencil, thanks for the cheer. Okay, so let's see what this looks like. This is pretty interesting. Sweet. Woohoo! So yeah, here's our HTML. That is pretty nice. You know what? I don't want to have to keep clicking a button for that. Let's change our design a little bit. I don't want to have to click a button for that. How about we change this to like a text block? Get rid of that click event. Right? And we should probably add text wrapping. And then what's that? Wasn't that something about a script notify event? An event that is triggered when content contained in the control passes a string to the app uses notify. I'm thinking. Sabat, what are we doing today? Thank you, Coach Dental, for answering that. Yes, I am trying to integrate the Quill JS rich text editor library into a WPF application. So normal 4G says use script notify with event listener in JS to update text. Okay, so let's change our design a little bit. What I want to happen is when I hit enter. When I hit enter, I want to update the text. So let me pull this out into a method. Something like that, right? String. This looks kind of right. Although I don't need to await it, actually. I do this. And then let's get rid of this. I always feel so dumb when I watch the channel. Hopefully I understand. Actually, one day. Oh, don't worry about it, Lasamat. You don't know what you don't know until you know it, right? Okay, so what I want to do now is now that we have this rich text editor inside of an HTML file that we are now embedding using the WebView in WPF, what I want to happen is when I hit enter, I want to notify my WPF view that I hit enter, grab the text. Now, when I do that, grab the text and update the text block. So I'm going to take Normal's suggestion here. We're going to go WebView script notify. And then I'm assuming this is where that happens. Right? I should be notified here. And so we'll say var text equals, oh, I called it new method. Get rich text. Okay, we'll say that. We'll say await get rich text. Okay. Okay, so we get the text, and then I want to update our text block here. So let's give this a name. Let's call it text. Right, something like that. So whenever we hit enter on the editor, we're going to get the text and we're going to update the text block. Now, how do we do that? How do we, okay, hold on. First, let's go back to the documentation. Is there an events? Here we go. Is there an event for like, there's text changed? But I don't want text change. Selection change. I don't want selection change. On, nope. Once, off, nope. Nope, bind, not what I'm looking for. Not what I'm looking for. Normal, you have to hook an event listener in JS to notify, right? Yes, I think so, because that's what the docs here say, right? So we would have to do this right here. Window.external.notify. Use text change and key press enter. Well, I'm thinking. I'm thinking. Yeah. Okay. I think I know what I'm gonna do. I think what I want to do is I'm gonna add a key down event listener to the document, and then just if it's the enter button, then in that case, if it's the enter button, I will call this window external notify. Right? Now I just got to remember how to do that. HTML document key down event. Add listener down. This example logs the code whenever you press a down key. Okay, I'm going to copy this because this looks like what I want. Oh my goodness! Tell learn code! We know what that means!
That is the sound of a raid! Tell learn code and raiding us with a party of 2. Thank you for joining. We're having a lot of fun right now. We are embedding an HTML rich text editor inside of the WPF app. It's good. It's fun. It's crazy. And it's a raid. Okay.
So I was going to copy that code here, but I'm not going to log this. Not going to log that. I need to do something else with it. I need something else with this. I love the raid scene. That raid scene took a long time, just so you know. But yeah, so for those of you just joining us, I am in the process of taking a web-based HTML JavaScript rich text editor called Quill JS, and I am embedding it inside of a native WPF app. Really fun. Really cool. Just for fun. Okay, so Lasima asked, why do we need a WebView in WPF? Okay, so we need the WebView because this editor, this rich text editor, is an HTML JavaScript rich text editor. So in order to actually get this to show up inside of the WPF app, we need to host that HTML in something that can display HTML, which is a WebView. Not only that, we need something that has the ability to interact with the DOM inside of that HTML file, which once again is the WebView, right? Okay, so we added a document listener. I added exactly what they just said. Okay, so now I just want to test this. I just want to test this right now. I have to call window external notify. So let's call that. I think that's it, right? We have a breakpoint. No, we don't. Hit a breakpoint right there. Okay, let's see if this works. So really, hitting enter any key down should invoke this. Any key. And yeah, it didn't work. What am I doing wrong? It didn't work. That's supposed to work. You have an example here? Ugh. Your docs suck. With a string parameter. With a string... Okay, wait. I think my signature's wrong. I think my signature is wrong. I need a string parameter. What the heck? That didn't help either. Actually, hold on. I think in the docs, so Normal's saying something. Yeah, so Julio said, yes, Julio, you're right. I did need that, but Normal says you have to use text change event from Quill. I don't think I do. This should still work regardless. There's something I am missing. I did scroll through this pretty quick. Okay, invoke. Oh, here we go. See? You can invoke async script. Okay, eval and use. Okay, yep. Script notify. Got that. What we're doing here. Okay. Keep looking. Something about JavaScript. Long running execution. Stop page script execution. That's not what I'm looking for. Okay, so to invoke JavaScript inside the WebView content, invoke script method. Yeah, that's not what I'm looking for either. Huh. I gotta be missing. Because either way, this should work. Either way. Key down, log key. Window external notify. And then I have the empty thing in here. I'm sure there's something. Maybe? No, because it was working before. That's not it. Yeah, nope, that's not it. WebScript notify, WebScript notify. Okay, normal 4G. Here we go. What did you find for me, my friend? Yeah, this is what I'm doing right here. Okay. Have you enabled the allowed URL to receive the message? Something like this. I don't know if that's... I'm not sure this is what the problem is, really. Because we're trying to... Because we're calling this from this rich text. Okay, I get that. Function log key. Because this part works. So we know the JavaScript works. Because I clicked the button and I got it, right? I mean, does it matter the order in which this stuff is called? You know, I'm like, I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm at a loss right here. I'm looking at this. This should totally work. I'm not thinking of reason of why that won't work. Okay, so that's not the... We're missing something stupid. I know it. Let's just scroll through all this. I'm going to find... That should freaking work. Okay, start at the top. We're not turning something on. I know we're something stupid like that. Fine flow. You know what? Let's just look at properties only. Keyboard is loaded. Is private. Crossing the fingers. Is script notify allowed? Let's find out, shall we? Gotcha! Gotcha. That was it. How stupid. Oh, so annoying. All right, and so at the bottom, we have our text, which looks all jacked up, so we got to fix that too. What is this? Height. No, I don't want auto on that. We'll do this. Right. I hate properties like that. I just hate it. Oh my goodness, look at that. Key down. Pow. Perfect. Oh, that's fast too. That's super fast. Bold. Nice. Okay. So now what I want to do is, now that we have that working.
Penny for your thoughts.
Really?
That's good.
That's good.
Like
Like
that.
Like that. I will be Yoda for the next 3 minutes. Lachlan Gordon redeemed the Yoda mask with his 700 Brian bucks. So now, okay, so we have this. What I want to do is I want to go back and we want to change this to where this is only invoking if I hit the enter key. Right? Because why would I want the update constantly? I don't want that. I want the enter key. So we should be able to say, you know, if e dot, what is it? Code? Key? Code. Block key. No. Where's my JavaScript, people? I think it's key. Crap. I think it's key. Code stencil redeeming the Spartan mask while I am Yoda. Well, I have to wait for the Yoda mask to expire, and then code stencil, I will give you your Spartan mask. Ooh-ah! Is this code or key? Can anyone, you know what? Let's just look it up. Spartan Yoda, is it possible? No, it is not possible. I've tried. I think it's key. Let's test it. You know, if I'm wrong, it won't work, and we'll know it's something else. So now I can type. Right? And boom. Enter. Awesome. Okay, but something just happened that I don't like. If I hit enter, I don't want to go to the next line. I want to accept the text and then clear the text out. Right? That makes sense because it's like a chat, right? Or if you're in Slack or if you're in Microsoft Teams and you're typing and you hit the enter key, you want to wipe out the text and you want to take the text that was entered and do something with it. So, what shall we do? So, after we get the text, we need to clear the text. Right? So, we probably need another function. Whoops. And we will say Quill dot root dot inner HTML equals nothing. I'm gonna take the same approach. I'm just gonna say it's empty. Right? I mean, that makes sense. And then I'm going to copy this code because I do that a lot. I copy and paste. And we're going to clear text. Right? That makes sense. I think it makes sense to me. It makes sense to me. So we get the text, we grab it, we do something with it. Okay, now that I know this works, I can just clean this up a little bit too. We don't need all that junk. Oh, Smart Mask! Thank you for the reminder, Lasamat.
There we go. I am now coding as a Spartan. Hooah! The Persians never stand a chance against my coding abilities. I, one coding Spartan, will take on an army of coding Persians, and I will be victorious, though I will die in my battle eventually, and then the rest of my country will come and get revenge and code against all those coders. It's not going to be pretty. Okay. I think this works. Let's find out. I think this works. This is kind of fun. And enter. Look at there. Look at there. Got it. That's exactly what I wanted. Okay, so, but, hold on. It might be nice to have multi-line. Now, in Microsoft Teams, if you want to go multi-line, there's a little button you can push, and it like opens it up bigger, right? And it puts it in like a multi-line mode, and then you can hit enter, and then the way you submit it is you do control enter. That's the way Teams work. I wonder if we can implement something similar. I think we can. I got almost another hour to implement something like that. So think. We need a concept. Is in multi-line mode. So we need a concept of multi-line mode. If we're in multi-line mode, okay. Yeah, if is in multi-line mode. Right, actually, if we're not, do that. Right? Else? Else?
If we are in multi-line mode, we need control enter. There's another option on this. It's called, what is it? Modifier? Crap. I don't remember this one at all. HTML key down event. Nope, not key code. It's composing. The moment when Spartan wears off always startles me. Oh, that's not what I'm looking for. Where are my args? It's not key code. That's not it. I want a control. It's like a modifier or like HTML key down event modifier. Oh, right here. That's what I want. That's exactly what I want. Okay, so and control key. So if I hit the control plus enter, then we're going to submit the text. Okay. So now hold on. Now we need a way to get into edit mode. Function set multi-line mode.
When one person meets another.
Hey, Okuma 123. Hey, Okuma, how do you say
They
that?
are blending.
Thank you for the follow. Welcome. You're just in time to see me struggling with JavaScript. Okay, so is multi-line. So first, this dot is in multi-line mode equals is multi-line. Right? So I want to set the mode. Oh, I said it right. Awesome. Fe Okuma. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Where are you joining from today? I'm in the United States. I'm in Boise, Idaho. Fe Okuma 1, 2, 3. Where are you joining from? What part of the world? Let's see. So that's good. Huh, Idaho, the land of potatoes. Yes, we are the land of potatoes. Brazil, nice. Sao Paulo, awesome. Well, welcome. Always a pleasure to have you. Actually, One Pocket Pimp. So you know how New York has the drop, the New Year's Eve ball drop? Well, we have the Idaho potato drop. It's a massive potato that is dropped for New Year's as you count down. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. And I tell you, this thing, hold on. You don't believe, okay, Idaho potato drop. Like, it's ridiculous. You're not going to believe me how big this potato is. Look at the size of that potato. Look at that. It's a freaking potato drop. What ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Oh my god. Okay, back to work. Okay, so we're setting the multi-line mode. Before we get here, actually, we had to modify our UI a bit. I think I'm gonna have to add another row. We'll make this 2. And I'm gonna add a button here. Because I need an Code Stitzel. No way is that real. It is 1000% real. We have a freaking potato drop. Okay, so we need a way to get into multi-line mode. And this is going to be a grid. Not column. What? I don't have any columns defined. Grid.row. Grid.row 1. And so when I... Is it editable? No, it's not editable. No, it's not. Another hilarious story. I don't know if I could find a picture of this. Idaho potato drop turned into home. Oh my god, it's there. So the old Idaho potato, the old one that was dropped before we got a new one, was converted into a home, into a house that someone lives in. Like, for real. I think there's pictures of the inside. Here it is, right here. How ridiculous is that? So this one was decommissioned, and it's turned into a home, I think, that people can rent and stay in. It's like a, I guess it's a B&B thing or whatever it's called. Yeah, it's you can rent it and stay in it for fun. It's a novelty thing, but people actually, yeah, it's ridiculous. Hey, we don't waste anything here. Not a single potato goes to waste in Idaho. Okay, so the idea here is when we hit this button, we're going into multi-line mode. We need a call. Here, I'm gonna do this. Copy that. Oh, actually, you know what? This should be a toggle button. Next name. Multi-line. That should be a toggle button because it's gonna be so much easier. So I can say if multi-line dot is checked. And you're gonna say, Brian, why are you doing if you're checking if it's true? Well, because this is a nullable. I mean, technically, I could say, you know, if it has value, and but yeah. So is checked because I can't just do this. Wait a minute. Oh, no, I thought so. I was like, wait, I can't do that with the nullable. Yeah, I mean, I could cast it, but I'll just do this. So if it's checked,
You love me. You really
Max
love
Philly,
me.
Max 79. I say that right? Max. I'll just call you Max. How about that? Thank you for the follow. Pleasure having you. Basamat. Today I learned Americans like to live inside food items. We do some we straight up crazy. Americans are straight up crazy. If you don't know that already. Coach Stitzel, how did a potato get this big? I don't believe it. It's not a real potato, obviously. It's a fake potato. So here I can say if the multi-line. Oh, you know what? Okay, var is multi-line equals false. Maybe I don't need. Yeah. Whoa, hold on. Because I'm thinking I could just do this. Hold on. Yeah, wait this. Clear text. No, it's hold on. Private async await, and this is called what I call that? Set multi-line. But oh wait, I need to pass my parameter. Let's go back to the documentation. How do I pass my parameter? That they did show that. They did show that. Down here somewhere. Here it is. Oh, right here. This is how they did it. Except in this case, it's going to be is multi-line. Okay, so here I could say if multi-line is, then is multi-line equals true. And then something else we're going to have to do here. Misspelled multi-line function name. Did I? Oh, I did. Thank you. Thank you very much. We'll fix that here. Okay. Oh, this is all. Can I two-string that then? Because it only takes a string. I can't pass in a boolean. So that means this is going to be a string. That's going to be a string. Fine, I'll make it a string. Because if this coming in is a string, then that's going to be a string, right? Makes sense. I wish I had TypeScript right now. Okay. So I set that to multi-line. But something else we're going to want to do is we're going to want to change the height. Right? We're going to want to change the height of this. One pocket bit, TypeScript. Ah! I love TypeScript. I love it. We're going to want to change the height of this. So this, well, actually, maybe we change the height in here. Right? I think that makes sense. Basically, we check if is multi-line equals true. We're going to set it to one height. Else, we'll set it to another height. Oh, wait. Hold on. Whew. That was almost a big mistake. I need my triple equals. Better do my triple equals. So if I remember correctly, document get, no, it's not get element. Is it get element by ID? I think it is. And then I want to get my editor. And then I get to set the style, right? Style. And then in pixels. I don't know. 200 pix sounds good to me. So let's copy this. And actually, we could probably make this a little cleaner too, but if you're single line, I don't know how big should we be? 100? 50? 55? I don't know. We'll just pick one. Pick one and go with it. Okay, so I'm thinking that works. Maybe, possibly. Okay, let's try it. Let's just try it. I think I have everything hooked up. You got the wrong variable on line 35. Oh, I did?
I think that I shall never see. My cataracts are blind.
Line 30 here or here? Line 35. Use event instead of E. Oh, no, but E is my, that's the name of the argument coming in. It doesn't have to be event. It's whatever I call it, and I'm calling it E, so. Oh, here. Oh, gotcha. Thank you very much, Julio, for the correction. Got you. Okay. All right. Why does it keep opening on this window? I hate that. So the idea is I can type, because I'm in single mode. Enter. It works. Then I make this bigger. Okay, that didn't work. Oh, wait. That didn't work like I thought it was going to work. So multi-line is false. That's false. Okay, so that worked. Oh, but that worked. Wait a minute. Control. Hold on. I think I'm confused. Oh, I know why. Because I didn't set it back. Because I toggled the button and I didn't set it back. Well, no, it shouldn't. That should totally work the way it was. Set the startup location on center screen and we'll, oh, will it? Well, I think I might have learned something new because I did not know that. Startup location center screen. Let's test that real quick. Nope. It opened center screen, but on the other screen. Ah. You know what? You know what's probably going on? Let me make this... Let me just make this a string. I don't know what this toString is really doing. So let's do this. This should work. Set multi-line. String is multi-line. Let's go back to our rich text editor. We're looking here. If it's in multi-line, if multi-line is true, yes. Then we're setting the height. Did I spell all that right, maybe? Document get element. Okay, that's right. Right? I don't see anyone fixing me, so. Okay. I think maybe that toString was messing things up. So false. Is it checked? True. Multi-line is true. There we go. That was the problem. I was stringing on the bool, but it was not. It was probably come over as like a one. It didn't like it. Nice. Look. We have multi. Okay, so blah 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 blah. Enter. Perfect. Multi-line. Blah 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 blah. Enter. Blah 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 blah. Enter. Control enter. Dude, this is awesome. Except I don't like the height here. I don't like what's going on here. See what we're doing here? I don't like that. Mate, you know what? I could fix that. I can totally fix that. We could change. I still have to change the height. We could change the height of the WebView. That height. Look at this. Equals. We said two. What would you say? We said 200. Said 200. But I have a feeling it has to be bigger than 200, right? It has to be bigger than 200 because the control, it's the web control. You got padding and all that crap. Code stencil. This link to the music playing returns to 404. I was trying to get the last song. Oh, does it return to... It's pretzel. Return to 404. It worked for me. The last song. The Ballad of Hans. This one. The Ballad of Hans Moleman. MC Lars. Code stencil. Is that what you're looking for? Spotify. You can play that on Spotify. Okay. So we can go 250. Let's go 250. And we can adjust it accordingly. So WebView dot height. On this one we said it was 55. Is that right? And who is texting me over here? Oh, my boss. Sorry, boss. Sorry. I am busy streaming. You're gonna have to wait. We said 55. Let's double it to 110. I'm just totally guessing here, so we will play with it. Okay, that wasn't good. Well, that wasn't good at all, was it? Okay. Well, hold on. That should have grown with it, though. That shouldn't have worked there. I mean, that should have worked because if this gets wider, this gets pushed down. So maybe I need to go bigger? Like 300 maybe? Let's find out. What the heck? Oh, wait a minute. Why is there such a massive space at the bottom? Look at this. That's not right. Why is that such a big space? That is strange. Okay. Okay, good. Coach Stencil, yes. He says yes, that was what he was looking for. Beautiful. There's something going on here. Let me set a default height up in here. First off, let's go body. Height. 100%. See if that helps. And then we'll do the editor. Height. We said 55, right? Yeah, 55. So this is the single line. My boss still trying to text me over here. Don't tell him I'm ignoring him. Oh, it opened on the screen this time. Sweet. What the heck? You guys hear that? Bing, bing. That's my boss. No, I'm not checking it because it means I'll probably have to end my stream to go do something he wants me to do. So I'm gonna pretend like I never saw it. Never saw it. Sorry. Maybe I should set a default height on the WebView. Maybe that's my problem, right? Height is 110. Isn't that what I said back here? Yeah. I keep thinking it's my team's going off. It's my team. Okay, so I got that. It's still doing that, though. Why isn't that being pushed down? Because I set the height, right? Right, it seems, yeah. Okuma, it seems like the other elements doesn't know the WebView changed the size. Anyone fancy Battle Royale? Yeah. Oh, and there we go.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Tony Dev redeemed a Battle Royale for 1,000 Brian Bucks. This is a fight to the dismembered death. This is the scene in which YouTube says is violent. And I cannot monetize the video because this is too violent. I'm dead serious. I got a warning from YouTube because I archive all these videos and YouTube said this was too violent. Freaking YouTube, get out of here. Well, I mean, I guess you do explode in little bits and pieces. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna kill my teams. I'm turning teams off. Quit. Now I won't hear notifications. All right, who's up? Oh, here's the health pack dropping. Normally, the people who get the health packs win. Coach Stencil. Coach Stencil got the health pack. I'm calling it. I'm calling it. Coach Stencil won. He got another health pack. Coach Stencil, it's it. He's the winner. Congratulations on that Battle Royale, Shirley Dev. And I see what you did. I see what you did. But you didn't wait long enough. You didn't wait long enough, Shirley, but I'll give it to you. Oh, actually, I guess the cooldown applies to me as well. So, I have a cooldown on these Battle Royales, but I started it, so let's do it. Let's do it. I'll give it to you, Shirley. Or Shirley? Shirley? Go call me Shirley. Shirley? How do you say it? I feel like I've been saying your name wrong forever. Is it Shirley, Dad? So I have a cool-off period. Oh, Shirley. Yeah, I've been saying it wrong the whole. Why did you correct me? You should have corrected me a month ago. Shirley. Okay, I got it now. Yeah, I have a cool off on these commands so I don't get trolled with them constantly. Oh, it's one pocket pivot, executor. Both got health packs. Here we go. Executor's getting, oh, nope, they ran away from it. I think one pocket pimp's got this. Oh, don't run away, one pocket pimp. What are you doing? Don't run away. Turn around. Face your fight. Oh my gosh. Executor won. Why were you running? Don't run away. Coward. I'm just kidding. How long is the cooldown? I think it's like 3 minutes. Something like, I think it's a 3-minute cooldown. Oh, it might be 5. I don't remember. Okay, yeah, we definitely have something going on here.
Let's get ready to rumble.
The real surly bot. Okay. I surely hope that surly Dev did not create a bot solely to redeem Brian Bucks and the Battle Royale. That is trolling on a whole nother level if you did that. Surly Dev, did you create a bot? You better not create a bot just to troll my Battle Royales. Thinking you're gonna win. That doesn't help you win. I'm telling you right now, that doesn't help you win. L1 pocket pip, I should have thought of that. It's not a bot. Well, it says it's a bot. It's right in the name. It says bot. I mean, what am I supposed to think? Oh, just an account I created to create a bot on. Oh, got it. Oh, I made it. I'm still in it. Oh, but Jaward has the full health. There's no beating him. Nope, not gonna. Can I get a health pack? Who got the health pack? Did I get the health pack? No, I don't have enough energy. Although I'm more powerful, I don't have the energy. I almost had it. Yeah, you hear the crowd was booing. Boo! Boo! Okay, so we definitely have a problem for some reason. That is happening. But these should resize. Right? I mean, it should. I mean, I'm not crazy, am I? Well, don't answer that. I am crazy. But, okay, you know what? What did I put over here? I said 200. Let's do 250 there. But that shouldn't matter. Oh, look. Something is... Oh, very interesting. This isn't at the very top. I think that might be what's causing the problem here. I have some alignment issue. I have some type of alignment issue. Maybe check the road. Groversaurus! Not you too! Not you too! Okay, you guys are trolling me on the Battle Royale though. I know it. It's like you have a secret chat room where you're talking to each other saying, okay, wait your 3 minutes, and then Battle Royale. Okay, then you wait 3 minutes, and then another battle. Okay, I'm putting like a 20-minute limit. You guys are nuts. Okay. I want to win this one. I want to win one. I hardly ever win. This is ridiculous. It's rigged, I tell you. It's rigged. 28 people out here who can easily screw with you. I deserve to win. Did I die already? I died already. Still fun. Okay, who's in it? Surly Dev, Mortel Box, Stein, Gamepad, Death 5. Oh, Shirley Dev with the health pack. Who's getting this one? It's a race with the health pack. Shirley Dev got it. Zaspy is dead. Dead. Shirley Dev has it. I'm calling it. Shirley Dev, you got it. What is it with Shirley Dev getting all the health packs? That's his third health pack. Mortel Box, you are running into your doom. Congratulations, Shirley Dev, you did it. You are victor. Finally, you finally won. After all these streams, you should do an entire stream of Spartan. Yes, that goes out to Shirley Dev. Finally, he finally won a battle royale after all this time. Yeah, I have a feeling. No, this is the problem. That's the problem. I had it needs to be auto. Fred of the Cat redeemed battle royale. You know, there's a 3-minute wait on this, but I will give it to you. I will give you the battle royale. Do you want the alert? Well, the alert's not going to show because it actually has a time limit on it. But Freda the Cat redeemed a battle royale. A battle royale there shall be. Right when I think I figured the problem out, I'm going to run this. You don't get to see it because you would rather do battle royale than see this awesome code that I wrote, which looks like works perfectly now. Just want to put that out there. Well, not perfectly, but it worked a little bit. Mostly. It mostly worked. All right, who do we got? Who do we got? One pocket fit. We would. Oh, Fred of the Cat did a cute little cat face. That's cool. Let's do that. LED, MCK. That just lead Mac? LED Mac? Oh, man. Shirley Dev almost went for a two-peat, but did not make it. LED MCK won that one. Congratulations. Is that a 3-minute timeout from the start of... Yes, it's from the start of each battle royale. Someone asked the private trolling chat room. Okay, so just to wrap... I fixed the problem. The problem was the row definition had the asterisks in it, which means just take up as much space as you can, divided amongst the other rows. I actually need to change that to auto. And when I changed that to auto, it actually fixed the problem. There we go. See? Multi-line. Well, not 100%. I still have the scroll bar. So we're not 100%. Sorry, Dev. Miley! Get out of here, Miley. Don't you... Watch it with that thing, would you? Miley always trying to wreck my stuff, man. Coming in here with her wrecking ball, just demolishing everything she sees. Okay. I think I'm going to go 115 and 260 on this. So I'm going to change this to 115. Whoop, nope, too big. I think we have it. I think we have it. I think this is it. Okay, so now... Blah, 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 blah. Enter. Okay, I'm going to go multi-line. Blah, 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 blah. Enter. Oh, perfect. Control Enter. Beautiful. Look at that. Yes. Beautiful. It's amazing. I love it. Oh. Thank you. Thank you, MMSoft. Thank you, MMSoft. I appreciate that. Does this text editor have IntelliSense? Ask. You know, I don't know. I don't know what it does. I don't think it does. Where is it? But it has a lot of cool features. You're supposed to be able to, like, extend the crap out of this. Oh, we can even extend the toolbar. Toolbar menu. Can I put the toolbar? Of course I can put the toolbar at the bottom. I want to add a toolbar to the bottom. That would be cool. Handlers. Keyboard. Oh, there's all kinds of stuff you could do with this. But as far as we're concerned, I think we did a pretty cool job. We took an HTML, JavaScript, rich text editor, and we embedded it inside of our WPF application. And we have it working kind of like a chat, right? And we added multi-line support. You know, all the bold stuff works. You know what we didn't try? We didn't try, like, numbers. That's cool. The real Surly bot redeemed the Battle Royale. 3 minutes. You got it. You got it, the real Surly bot. I'll just play with my text editor while you guys beat the crap out of each other. How about that? All right, who do you think has? You know what? We should start bets on this. We should start taking bets. I need to have a bet bot where you can put money down. The real pie god. Big money, no whammy. Big money, big money, big money. Stop. Okay, who's got this? Actually, Darth Coder. Okuma. Who's in here? Oh, we had a health pack dropping. Coach Stencil going for the health pack. Coach Stencil got the health pack. He's back in it. You thought he was out, but he's not. He's in it again. Oh, he's getting attacked from all sides. Nerva 4G. Coach Stencil almost dead. Oh, I cannot believe it. I cannot believe it. Jawar with a win again. That is crazy. One Pocket Pip, you did call it. You called it. You definitely, you said it. I saw it in the chat before the battle started. You should have put money on that. But yeah, so all this works. Control Enter, like this is awesome. A tab. Oh, what's tab do? Okay, so tab does exactly what you expect it to do. What's this do? I don't know what that does. Anyone know what this does? I don't know. I don't know what that does. All right. I think we can call it today mission accomplished. We successfully embedded a JavaScript rich text editor inside of a WPF application, and it's functional. We are calling back and forth. We are calling JavaScript functions from C#. That is awesome. Oh. Misa, it removes text format. Oh, cool. That's what it does. I was wondering what it did. That was pretty fun. I like that. I like that. Good times. Okay, so I'm going to call it a day now. I'm going to call that a successful stream. I can't believe I actually had a stream where it worked. We got it working. Right? Time for round 6 yet. Right? The last couple streams, we've just been finding bug after bug after bug, and it's like, oh my god, just work. That was relatively painless. That was fun. I like that. So on the next stream, remember, on Tuesday, it's a special stream on Tuesday. Okay? We are doing the COVID health hack. Actually, let me find that. COVID health hack. Right here. This right here. This virtual hackathon series. I'm gonna put the link in here. You know, you can win money if you wanna actually participate. Build something cool. Win some money. So next Tuesday, I am actually going to be doing a stream on basically getting started with Xamarin Forms and Prism, building mobile apps with Xamarin Forms and Prism. Very introductory, basically just covering all the basic features of Prism, how to get started, creating apps, things like that. Show off some of the tooling from Infragistics, because it's a company-based thing. But yeah, so it's just going to be file new. Check out all these features on what you could do in Prism, how various navigation works, commands, and event aggregation, and all these cool features. It's code by mistake. It's Tuesday at 10 a.m. Mountain. Okay. And so what's going to happen is I'm working with the Stevens Institute of Technology in New Jersey. They're the ones hosting the health hack. And so they have a number of students that are going to attend the stream in which I'm going to show them the intro into Prism for Xamarin Forms. And then they're going to take what I show them and they're going to build their apps for the hackathon using that technology. So I don't know how many students we're going to have show up.
Let's get ready to
Brontosaurus! You guys are killing me here! You're killing me! So, code by mistake, GMT. I don't know what time it is GMT. So whatever time it is right now in your time zone, subtract 2 hours. That's when it's going to be on Tuesday. Right? So whatever time it is right now, subtract 2 hours. That time on Tuesday, I'll be doing a full stream on nothing but Xamarin Forms and Prism and helping these students in their journey of hopefully winning some money in this hackathon and writing some really cool software for to help tackle this COVID-19 stuff. One pocket pip, that's a lot of math. It is a lot of math. That's why I always have one of these. That's right. People make fun of me because I use pencil and paper and I have a calculator on my desk. That's a ridiculous looking calculator. This thing was $3. I don't call that ridiculous at all. Martell blocks. Oh man, really close. Really close. I don't know who's got this one. Oh, Martell box with the win. That was a close one. That was really close. Dan, but what's the spatial coordinates of the Earth's position around the sun? 3. No, 42, isn't it? 42. Sorry, 42. The answer is always 42. So Surly Dev said that's 4 p.m. GMT. So for me right now, it is noon. It's 12 p.m. 12:04 p.m. So Mountain Time is actually our time zones in America are pretty hilarious. U.S. time zone map. Let me pull up the time zone map, how this works. All right, so we have the Pacific time here, right? So Seattle, Oregon, California, Nevada. And then you have the Mountain time zone, which is what I'm in, because I'm in the lower part of Idaho here. Okay, I'm down in this area. So I'm in Mountain. And then that's, Denver, Salt Lake City, Phoenix. These are all Mountain. And then you have Central and then the Eastern. So I'm in this purple here. 3 minutes from the start of that, 40 seconds from now, it's just saying. Yeah, last time I have a proper calculator that can actually calculate more than elementary stuff. Yeah, not me. Not me. I have an elementary calculator. I only do elementary math. Yeah, so it's only 12:05 p.m. for me. It's my lunchtime. It's my lunchtime. It's good times though. So you know what? Let's gotta get a little inception here because I'm opening up Twitch because I want to see. Gotta get a little. There we go. Who is streaming that we may want to? Oh, also 8 p.m. there. Dang. Okay, who's streaming? Who's streaming? I gotta go with Twitch. Surly Dev, of course you would. Of course you would. Of course you would. How many Brian Bucks do you have? This is ridiculous. I need to make that more expensive. Jeez. You said Microsoft Developer is streaming. Let's see what Microsoft Developer is I'm going to look at what Microsoft Developer is looking at. And then, so bots with TypeScript, it looks like. Shirley, I have 380 left now. Oh, good, you're finally out of some money there. Oh, we got Lana Lux, InstaFluff, Jessica Mac, Polarin, Copy Purity. You know what? Assert Chris. What's Assert Chris doing? Assert Chris has 1 viewer. 1 viewer. We're going to give Assert Chris some love. We are going to give Assert Chris some love. You can't have just 1 viewer. I'm sorry. Oh, am I still in it? Oh, Normal, you took me out. What the heck? I almost had it. Jeez. Of course, when I'm not looking, right? When I'm not looking. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to raid someone called Assert Chris. I've never seen their channel before, but I noticed they only have 1 viewer. And we're going to go in there. We're going to give some love, some support, see what he's working on. It looks like he's building a game, actually, in Unity. That's what it looks like. I could be wrong, though. But let's go raid this guy and show him some support from the developer community and give him more than just 1 viewer. Stay for 1 minute 33, please. Heck no! We're out of here. Thank you, everyone, for joining me. I will see you guys on Tuesday. Same time, same place. Love you all. So much fun having you. Let's go give Assert Chris some love. Take it easy, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one, everyone.